I wanted to try something totally different for this series and actually build an immersive experience on Apple Vision Pro from start to finish. We're going to come up with a concept all the way through execution, and I'm going to walk you through every step of the process. First, we need an idea, and the inspiration for this series came while reading Carl Sagan's Pale Blue Dot. The book contains an evocative retelling of the Voyager missions, which brought back some of the most amazing pictures we have of the planets in our solar system. I think it's incredible that they were able to accomplish all of this with 1970s technology like tape drives and television cameras, transmitting back to Earth dramatic photos of mysterious worlds and true frontiers. One of the things that really grabbed my attention were the icy moons at the very outer reaches of our solar system. Moons like Triton, orbiting Neptune, where the temperature drops to below negative 240 degrees Celsius, so cold that it snows nitrogen, and where geysers of rock and ice are thought to burst from the surface. We've got an idea, but now we need to start fleshing out what it's actually going to look like. So now I'm going to head over into Procreate on iPad, where we'll generate some concept art and start to bring this environment to life. These drawings and paintings will set the tone of our environment and help us think through the various elements we'll need to create, like the dramatic geysers in the distance and the rocky, snow-covered plains. We'll give the planet ethereal rings and add cloud details to the narrowly illuminated crescent. Perhaps the thin atmosphere of our world comes from the gases being released by these geysers. I'm thinking we'll use a combination of particle effects and shaders when it comes time to actually build them. Overall, I want to aim for a balance of realism and creative liberty. Next, a panoramic sketch captures the wider view of our world. And finally, we'll create a diagram of our environment that includes a person for scale. I'm making sure we capture all the details, like the location of the bright star that will illuminate the scene, and the Milky Way-like band of stars that will arch over the entire environment to give the scene a sense of expansiveness. To cut down on complexity, I think we'll strategically place large rocks behind the user to obscure the view in that direction. Okay, so we've got a great set of concept art that really define the experience we're going to create. You can go to my Patreon to download all of today's concept art, and I'll be sharing project files there throughout this series. But how do we turn these two-dimensional drawings into something we can actually experience? Like and subscribe for the next episode, where we'll build a prototype and run it on Vision Pro.